Descend with me into the twilight world of the deep ocean, where the ethereal beauty of the bloody belly comb jelly awaits discovered. The bloody belly comb jelly is named for its striking red coloration, particularly noticeable in its stomach region, which gives it a unique and memorable appearance. Like many deep-sea creatures, bloody belly comb jellies are bioluminescent. They can produce their own light through a chemical reaction, which they use for various purposes such as attracting prey or mates. These comb jellies inhabit the deep ocean, typically found at depths ranging from 200 to 4,000 meters, 660 to 13,000 feet. Their deep-sea habitat makes them relatively elusive and not commonly encountered by humans. Similar to other comb jellies, bloody belly comb jellies have gelatinous, transparent bodies that are delicate and almost ethereal in appearance. Their bodies consist of a soft, gel-like substance with rows of cilia for locomotion. Despite their delicate appearance, bloody belly comb jellies are voracious predators. They use their long, sticky tentacles to capture small prey such as plankton and small fish. These comb jellies move through the water by beating rows of cilia, which are hair-like structures along their body. This propulsion mechanism allows them to navigate the ocean depths with grace and efficiency. Bloody belly comb jellies have simple eye spots that detect changes in light intensity, but they do not possess well-developed vision. Instead, they rely on other senses, such as touch and sensitivity to water movements, to locate prey. Reproduction in bloody belly comb jellies typically involves both sexual and asexual methods. They can reproduce by releasing eggs and sperm into the water for external fertilization or by undergoing a process called budding, where new individuals develop as outgrowths from the parent's body. Living in the deep sea presents unique challenges, and bloody belly comb jellies have evolved various adaptations to survive in this extreme environment. These adaptations include efficient energy utilization, tolerance to low oxygen levels, and specialized feeding strategies. Despite their mysterious allure, bloody belly comb jellies remain relatively understudied due to the difficulties of exploring their deep-sea habitat. However, advancements in deep-sea exploration technology continue to shed light on these captivating creatures and their role in ocean ecosystems. May the bloody belly comb jelly continue to inspire wonder and curiosity, serving as a reminder of the mesmerizing diversity that thrives in the depths of our oceans.